Hello there, I'm James Hardiman. Welcome to Hey James, how do I? And welcome to the very first and most important one of the series, which is how do I install Mikogo on my computer, because Mikogo is going to be the way that we're going to communicate with one another. So this is what you do. Starting with your computer just sitting there, we go to a browser, and I'm going to use Internet Explorer. And you go to www.mikogo.com, and this is what will happen. And you go to download and you click it, and you choose whether you want Windows or Mac. We'll go for I'm going to go for the free Windows download. And down here it says, do I want to run it or save it? I'm going to say I want to run it. And down at the bottom it's saying running a security scan. Do I want to allow it? Yes, I do want to allow it. And depending on what Windows software you running on your computer, it may say slightly different things. But when you've got this down here that says Mikogo has started, and you see an M down here, it's up and running. That's it. That's all you've got to do. Now, it would be quite a good idea to go and register, and now I can't register because I already have, but let's see what happens. If we click this button and register, you get this screen, and you put your first name, your last name, your email address, your re-enter your email address, get free account, and then your all systems go with Mikogo, and that's all you have to do to install it. Once it's installed, then we have to connect two computers together, and I can't demonstrate that at the moment because I'm sitting here by myself, but a little bit later, with a bit of luck, Susan will give me a few minutes and we'll demonstrate how to connect two computers together with Mikogo. But that's it. That's all you've got to do.